This is the outside kitchen at GlenMyu. It's a traditional Sri Lankan kitchen, although as you can see at the end we have a pizza oven, which is certainly not traditional. We've just finished our Sri Lankan cooking demonstration here. We cook on clay pots on the wood, which makes the curries taste really good. At the moment we're just boiling some water, as you can see. And you can see the kitchen's been decorated. One of our staff here, Christina, decorated the kitchen here this afternoon, and she wanted me to take a video of it because she was quite proud of her work, and it does look quite nice. It has a little bit of decorative appeal to the kitchen. It's not as bland as it was, but yeah, we did our Sri Lankan cooking demonstration here this evening, and I'm sure the curries will taste fantastic, as they always do.